Hi, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to Vemlavada and Kondagattu. We are started from Hyderabad. From Hyderabad to Vemlavada have many different routes. Now we are going via Karimnagar Vemlavada route. On this route we have to cross Mid-Maner Dam. Mid-Maner Dam, also known as Rajarajeshwara Reservoir. It's built on Maner River and major irrigation project across the Maner River. The project started in 2005 is 50% work complete in 10 years, while the Telangana government has completed remaining 50% work within 10 months and set a record. Total capacity of this dam 26 TMC. From Hyderabad to Vemlavada via Karimnagar route it will come distance around 206 kilometers, and another way Hyderabad to Vemlavada via Siddipet route distance around 160 kilometers. This both routes is good. Vemlavada is situated in Rajanna Sircilla district, about 12 kilometers from district headquarters and 36 kilometers from Karimnagar city. It is quite easily accessible by road. Sri Rajarajeshwara Swami Temple is a famous and ancient temple in Telangana dedicated to Lord Shiva. It's popularly known as Dakshina Kashi and also known as Harihara Kshetram. The famous floral festival of Telangana, Bathukamma, is believed to have originated from this place. Vemlavada is famous holy shrine of Lord Shiva in India, attracting thousands of pilgrims, which is built by Chalukyas. Very popular special rituals performed in Vemlavada Rajarajeshwara Devasthanam or Kodegattuta, Gandadipam, etc. Sri Rajarajeshwara Temple is one of the most famous Hindu temples in Telangana. Pilgrims first perform a divine bath in Dharmagundam, then proceeds for the darshan of the Lord Shiva. Vemlavada Temple open at 4 am to 9 pm. It also has ancient temples of Bhimeshwara, Nagareshwara and Pochamma nearby the main temple of Sri Rajarajeshwara Swami. Kodemukku is a ritual where the devotee makes the pradakshanam of the temple with a kode, which is Vahanam of Lord Shiva, and leaves them in the temple only. Baddipochamma Talli temple is a very famous in Vemlavada, and all the devotees, after having the darshan of Lord Shiva, they will come here with bonalu, bellam shakas and sari and give it to devotee of Pochamma Talli. Bhimeshwara Swami Temple. It is most important temple in Vemlavada. It is situated 500 meters from main temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple belongs to 9th century. It is a walled temple with separate entrance and exit gateways. After Rajarajeshwara Swami Darshan, we are going to Kondagattu Anjaneya Swami Temple. It will take 40 minutes to travel from Vemlavada to Kondagattu. It's around 30 kilometers. After 25 kilometers of journey, we saw the small water flow. After few minutes of spend the time, we started to go Kondagattu. From here 5 kilometers to reach the temple. After 30 kilometers of journey, we are entering to Kondagattu Anjaneya Swami temple. Kondagattu temple dedicated to Lord Anjaneya Swami. It is one of the famous temples located in Jagityal district of Telangana. Besides the main deity Anjaneya Swami, the temple also has the idols of Lord Venkateshwara, goddess Alvarla and goddess Lakshmi.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुरु सुधारी, बरनउँ रघुबर विमल जसु, जो दायकु फल चारि। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके, सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि, हरहु कलेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन वरन विराज सुबेसा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा। हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र जी के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुवीर हरषि उर लाए। रघुपति कीनी बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि संभाई। सहस बदन तुमरो यश गावे, अस कहि श्रीपद कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिसा। जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते। तुम उपकार सुगी वही कीन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दीन्हा। तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्र योजन पर भानु, लियो ताहि मधुर फल जानो। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि, जलधि लागिवे अचरज नाहि। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुखमय अनुग्रह तुमरो देते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हांकते कांपे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग पर ताप तुम्हारा है, प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे,